We had a slope right below our garage vertical garden, and so we needed to flatten it out so we could tend the garden. So we're putting in a small landscape Varden living retaining wall just below it to give us a little bit of a flat area. And it's only going to be 2 or 3 courses tall. But here you can see how we've cut in the base trench and laid the initial blocks down and started to backfill. And we're using the same compost blend that we use in our Varden sock for our vertical gardens. It's really fibrous and everything grows great in it. And we're going to plant strawberries in this wall when we're done. So everything over there on that garage side is going to be edible for sure and beautiful. You can see we've got just about everything filled up. We've got to strike off the tops of the rails so we can set another course. They've got the backfill directly behind, compacted in, and they'll just have to top it out with some good compost to get to the elevation that we need, and then it's going to be ready to plant. Here they are digging up a little bit of the overburden, and it's a very tight access yard, only able to use small equipment. Enjoy and check it out again.